You sent me this one. This is the type of stuff you like to read on a on a Thursday morning.
Uh-huh.
This is your Thursday morning. Burger King shocks customers with insane new menu item. My stomach would kill me. Shout out Yahoo News for this one. Now you probably can't buy this thing unless you're watching this show from Japan. Shout out Japan. If you happen to be watching from Japan, you can go pick this up. It is called the Strong Magma. I love the name. Strong Magma. 1 pound beef burger. That's 4 patties, and they're not small patties either. Burger King Japan to release the fiery garlic chip, spicy sauced 1 pound beef burger, Strong Magma, tomorrow. Hard to resist. So I guess it's got a spicy aspect to it as well. It features 4 patties, 2 slices of cheese, a mysterious spicy powder made of Japanese peppers. And if you finish the burger, you're going to earn a celebratory sticker. It will cost you around $13 USD or 1,380 yen. And I have to believe someone's going to find it and probably post it on YouTube.
Yeah.
I would assume that might happen, so keep an eye out for Strong Magma Burger. Could you finish such a thing, 1 pound of beef?
Yeah. Yeah, I think so.
Okay, all right.
Quarter pounder is not a big deal.
All right, no problem. They just, what is it, FedEx overnight, Japan, Burger
Do it.
King. Willie Doo's looking for one.